Meet Juan. He runs operations for a 20-location franchise. And every Monday morning, he makes the same mistake. He dumps 50 PDFs and reports into a chatbot and asks, "Why did sales drop?" The AI answers, anything but the truth. Juan thinks AI is useless, but the problem isn't the AI. It's that Juan is using it as a dumping ground. He throws everything into a database and hopes the model figures it out. But 98% of those documents are irrelevant to his question. As Brad Peters, founder and CEO of Scoop Analytics, puts it, generic AI is not an employee, it's a database. Handing ChatGPT your business is like handing your sales team an empty SQL table and expecting revenue. Juan doesn't need a chatbot. He needs an application, a context mode. Oracle stores data. Salesforce tells you how to sell. ChatGPT is today's Oracle. Your business is missing the Salesforce of AI. Imagine this. On Monday, Juan uploads nothing. The AI already ran overnight and tells him what broke and exactly how to fix it. That's proactive agentic AI, diagnosis and action, without you ever asking. That's exactly what Scoop Analytics builds. Capturing your best operators' brains as an application on top of your Power BI or Tableau. Stop guessing prompts. Visit scoopanalytics.com. Link in the description.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.